Bank of Baroda bra Trakali September 9 day Niatu Resort Chumukitima de Customer Outreach Program lushe. Program loado Dimapur aru Kohima laga customers kan nimide tagishe aru program de Bank of Baroda laga Executive Director Bina Wahid aru General Manager and Zonal Head NES Zone Sonamdi Bhutia bra customers kan gi brief kurishe. Program loade Dimapur aru Kohima bra milagina 120 customers nishna hisa lushe. Details aisabu.
Viewers Global Window Han Night 2 by the Park de Ahignese Aji Bank of Baroda Hanbra Customers Outreach Program, an interactive session with the customer in the presence of Bina Wahid, Executive Director Bank of Baroda, and Sonam T Bhutia, General Manager and Zonal Head NES Zone. Ahibi tulaga opoda amikhan details pra saisabo.
At the very outset, we shall thank the Almighty God for this beautiful evening. My name is Do Hohen Dimgel, presently attached to Bank of Baroda Dimapur branch. And I extend a very, very warm welcome to all of you for this evening program. We will have a welcome note from our Vivek Das sir, our regional head, Jorhat region. Thank you, sir.
This program we have hosted for all of you just to understand where as Bank of Baroda, where we are standing, how is our service and what better we can do in future. So a very good evening and a warm welcome to the dignitaries and guests here. Bank of Baroda today is moving forward with a bold vision to double its balance sheet in next 5 years, open nearly 500 new branches and expand digital convenience for every customers with initiatives like the Bob World app, global UPI payments, merchant loyalty programs, AI-powered service platforms, and various other services. The bank is making more accessible, inclusive, and rewarding compared to many other banks. So in this journey, I'd like to thank all of you. Jorhat region consists of 4 states, Nagaland, Manipur, Arunachal and Upper Assam. We have 65 branches at present, and Nagaland, such a beautiful state, is contributing the most of its business. So thank you all of you for that. Once again, I'd like to thank all of you to come at a short notice, and we'll have a small presentation, and then we'll have some question and answer session. And in the meantime, our GM sir and ED madam would be arriving, and we will hear from them also. So thank you all of you. Thank you.
I won't take much time, but I'll go through the details, the crux and the main points of our presentation. So first of all, as you must be knowing, and we are there for 117 years. It was founded our bank was founded in 20th July 1908 by Maharaja Sahajirao Gaikwad III in Baroda and Vadodara. And in Nagaland, we are having 14 branches. That is in Dimapur, we have the MSME specialized Dimapur branch. Then this Purana Bazar, EVB Dimapur branch. Then Kohima, Nagabazar, EVB Kohima. Athibung, Bosa, Chumukedima, Purana Bazar, High School Junction Kohima. Mokokchung, Nagini Mora, 7U Newtown, Umma, Wokha. And our 15th branch, Chupitong, is on the way actually. It will be opened very shortly. So in Property Pride, what happens is, this is mainly basically, if you have a property, that is monetize your assets, unlock capital. That is, your assets is lying, what should I say, that you need not give your FDRs, you need not give your LICs and other things which are being used by you, which you can use in your day-to-day businesses. It's better the assets which you are having, we will keep that with us, and on that we can give you a loan, that is Baroda Property Pride. So these are the features which have been already mentioned over here. That is, the margin it depends upon your CMR rating actually, CMR rating based, your commercial civil rating based. And the margin is fixed, that is on your residential or commercial property, there's a margin of 20 to 35%. On industrial property, there's a margin of 45 to 50% based on, there's a different slabs are there, okay? And in if you are keeping your FDR, then it's 10% margin, LIC 15 to 20%, and SCKVP 15 to 20%. So this is another product, Premium Lab. So this is also very near to what I can say is also based on your property, on the value of your property. Here the loan amount up to 25 CR we can give you. Even if you require more than that, then also there are deviations in place. So just a brief introduction about this. And here also the margin is 25% on market value of residential, and on 35%, and this margin is 35% on market value of commercial property. Smart overdraft. Some of you are maybe you are having other projects as well, or new businesses as well. So where you have not taken any loans, or maybe you are maintaining only a current account, or it's an NTB, it's a very new, new project of yours. So in that case, this Baroda Smart Overdraft is there. We won't take 10 or 15 minutes, more than 10 or 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, we'll give you this loan of 25 lakhs, okay? So it's totally digital, and it's very good actually. If you just if a new venture is there, or if a current account you are maintaining with us, so we can go for this Baroda Smart Overdraft account. Now this CV, commercial vehicle, because most of in Nagaland we are having many contractor accounts. Many of you are maintaining government contracts. You are getting contracts. So for you people, CV is there, commercial vehicle. We are giving commercial vehicle loans. And here the margin is very good actually. If you bring 5% of yours, it is 95% we can finance. So commercial vehicle we can give, and here you can see that up to 30 CR we can offer. Even I'm telling that is, if you want more than that as well, that can be, there are divisions in place for that as well. So for purchase of new trucks, tempo, tanker, buses, all types of commercial vehicle, we can give you term loan or demand. CME for commercial mining equipment, here the limit is up to 50 CR and margin is 25%. So here also we can give you, in fact margin can be lower as well. It's there are different slabs in place for that. So here also we are giving you loans, and up to 50 CR we can give you. So, and there is no requirement of additional collateral security. You need not give us any additional collateral security. We can go for, in up to 10 CR you have CDMSC, so we can go for CDMSC coverage as well. And there we can give you CVCB. This is a very good scheme, Baroda Mahila Savalamban. I can see many ladies over here. So I would say women entrepreneurs over here. So I would say that this is a very good scheme for you people, because here the rate of interest is very low actually, because our BRLR is 8.15%, that is our base rate is 8.15%. Supply chain finance, we have done, I should say we have done very wonderfully well in Nagaland. So in supply chain the main thing is up to 20 CR, there's collateral free limit also. It depends upon that. If say suppose your dealership is 1 year old or 2 years old, there are some criteria. So if that is so, then up to 20 CR also we won't take a single collateral from you. Without any collateral, we can give you loans up to 20 CR as well. Trade scheme, okay. So here what happens is, this bill discounting, that is the invoices which you are having, then we will discount those bills. So just what you need to do is that the companies which you are dealing with, they should be either PSUs, Maharatna, Maniratna, or reputed organizations with external rating good. You need not worry about those things. Those are, being a banker, those are our lookout. You only, in case you have anything, any bill you need to be discounted, you just approach us and we will do the rest. Okay, we will take care of the rest. So in solar projects as well, you must be knowing that right now in PMSGY, Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Yojana, various schemes are being, various loans are being given where subsidy is there. So for this dealers who are dealing with the solar projects, there also we are having loans. So in case you are having any requirement, anybody out here is dealing with solar projects, so there also we can go up to 30 CR, up to 30 CR we are giving loans, and up to 5 CR there's no collateral as well. Baroda contractor scheme, contractors, most of you are having those government contractors. I think many contractor accounts we are also having right now, and those who are dealing with government departments, I would request you that in case of any requirement of yours, be it BG, you need to bid, so be it BG, or be it your fund-based requirement, that is you need a overdraft. So for that also, just you can remember us. Just tell us and we'll give you the best rates in the market. So this is a very wonderful scheme for Doctor Plus scheme. That is, if anybody from medical profession is right now with us, then here what happens is if you are having an setup, currently if you are working in a setup, then this scheme is for you. Here the rate of interest is very low. We start at near about PRL only. And here for anything that is to provide term loan for purchase of specialized medical equipment, machinery, including erection, commissioning and installation by healthcare establishments. So we are giving out this loan. And there's a criteria for this. Target group is doctors, hospitals, medical colleges, diagnostic centers, specialty clinics. And the limit which we can give is 10 to 50 CR. And there's always a scope for deviation, whatever limit I'm telling you right now. So there's nothing like this is our limit. There is no limit. You just need to give us a call, tell us about your requirement, we'll assess your limit, and then we can give it to you. So see, this is the rate. If you are having, if your commercial CIBIL is good, we are going as low as 8.15%, which is the best in the market. And that too without collateral. Without collateral, this is a very lucrative. So Baroda Vidyasthali loan, Shao sir, you're there? Your customer, Vidyasthali loan, educational institute, somebody was, yes ma'am? Alright, okay. So thing is Vidyasthali loan is for educational institutions. Say suppose you need to, if you need to construct your building or any school projects, college projects, so we have this Vidyasthali loan where we can give you term loan up to 25 CR maximum and overdraft up to 5 CR. So this is also a very lucrative scheme. So those who are dealing with educational institutes, colleges, schools, and so they can just remember us for this. Arogya Dham loan in what I told you about the Doctor Plus scheme, it was for existing medical this institutes or medical practitioner, hospital and nursing homes. For this, in Arogya Dham, what we do is, say suppose you are setting up a factory. So you are setting up a hospital or a nursing home. For that, this is the scheme, Baroda Arogya Dham scheme, where we can give you loans up to 30 CR. Okay, and you must be knowing right now that up to 10 CR, we are very comfortable in accepting CGTMSE as per being a PSU bank, being a government sector undertaking. So up to 10 CR, we can go without collateral. That is, we can take CGTMSE and we can proceed. Okay, so retail assets, see the products which we offer, home loans, then gold loans, mortgage loans, personal loans, vehicle loan, then education loan, then loan against shares, mutual funds, bonds. So what I'll just home loan, one thing in any deliberation of mine, I just mention this, I'll mention this over here as well. We have a very premium product that is, there's a, what do you say, home loan advantage scheme, okay. So what happens over there is, say suppose you are having 5 lakhs of idle money. Please, if anybody, I would request all of you, please pay your attention, please, because this is a very lucrative scheme for all of you. Okay. So if you are having, say, suppose idle fund of 5 lakhs rupees in savings account, and your loan amount in home loan is 50 lakhs. You keep that idle money of 5 lakh rupees in your linked saving account, okay? In your home loan linked saving account. What will happen is, say suppose you keep it for 25 days. So for that 25 days, you will be charged only for 50 lakhs minus 5 lakhs, only for 45 lakhs. So if you are having idle money, say suppose 20 lakhs you are having, or for 10 days you are having 50 lakhs of money. If you keep it over there, for those 10 days you won't be having to pay a single penny to the bank as interest. It's a very, very lucrative scheme. So this in home loan, this is a premium sector scheme, that is home loan advantage scheme. So I think if anybody is if anybody wants this loan, you can please call your nearby branch. You can tell them about your requirement, and I think we can give you this loan. This is a very, very good product actually. Okay, so in home loan we are starting at 7.45%, which is the best in the market in PSU sector, and in car loan we are starting at 8.15%. Okay, and only at a margin of 10%. So in retail liability, we are having this Baroda corporate salary account. Here we are giving various benefits. Say suppose you are if you are having 50 or 100 employees who are working under you, then I think we can give you this corporate salary account. And here the facilities which we are giving you is inbuilt overdraft facility starting from 50,000 and up to 3 lakh. Based on your salary, there's a salary slab. So this inbuilt overdraft, that is sometimes it happens is there's an urgent requirement and your employee comes to you that we need some money. So for that reason, you need not be bothered by it, because we are already offering this inbuilt. Okay, so 50,000 to 3 lakh, they are giving overdraft inbuilt in this. 20% discount is there on locker rentals. Then lifetime free RuPay Platinum debit card. This RuPay Platinum debit card, I think you can use it in lounges as well. It's quarterly, there is 2 hits which you can use in domestic lounges, and it will be free of cost. And 50% discount on issuance renewal of prepaid card or gift cards. If you need prepaid cards or gift cards, then there's a 50% discount to it as well. Then RTGS and NEFT, it's free, unlimited. Processing charges on certain retail loans is 50 to 100% waiver is there. And free unlimited DDBC, that is demand draft, banker's check, is free, totally free. And lifetime free select and premier variant of credit cards. So we have a Bob Select credit card. So that is totally free with this corporate salary account. So I would urge everyone that if you are having employees, whatever it may be, 30, 50, 100, so we can work out a scheme for them. And I think it's best if you just give us a call, we can open corporate salary accounts and we can give them the best offer. Yeah, there's other advantages as well. Personal accident insurance, additional year accident cover, and see the amount is hefty actually. The insurance amount is 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs. In additional year accident, there are also 20 lakhs to 50 lakhs. Total accident cover 40 lakhs to 100 lakhs. This is huge amount, na? So I think this is a very lucrative scheme. So if we are having sizable amount of employees, then I think we can offer this too. Master stroke, as our RM sir was saying, that we have signed up Mr. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar as our brand ambassador, and our main focus is actually master stroke accounts. Here, this is a premium class account which we are offering. Here, this free checkbook is there, free opulence debit card is there. There's a locker rent is 100% waived. Eternal credit card is free. Okay, Eternal credit card is a premium product of Bank of Baroda, premium credit card. There's 100% waiver on processing charges of all retail loans. Here, all retail loans processing charges is totally waived. There's no charges. Then in rate of interest also in home loan, auto loan, personal loan, education loan, there's 0.25% concession. Then SMS and email alert is free. Opulence card is giving the certain benefits, that is free unlimited domestic international lounge is also free. Okay, so free airport pickup drop, that is you will get 8 free airport drop per annum. In every year you will be getting 8 free airport pickup drop. Cash withdrawal per day 5 lakhs, swiping limit per day 10 lakhs. Then offers from premium brands, we are having tie-ups with USPA, then Eva, Agio, Brooks Brothers, etc. And 6 months free membership of Gold Gym, 1 year free membership at Club Marriott, then VIP membership in Visa Luxury Hotels across the group.
Bank of Baroda is one of the biggest bank in India. Next to State Bank of India, our business constitutes around 27 lakh crores of business. And we have a largest number of overseas present in, I think, 19 countries. We have around more than 90 branches. And in India also we have more than 8,000 branches. And northeastern states, as government is, I think, focusing most development in the northeastern states. And yes, northeastern states, there is a huge opportunity when the government is looking towards east. And our higher management, I think they have also come up with the concept. They have also thought about the progress of northeastern states. That's why they have come up with the concept of having a separate northeastern state zone in Guwahati. And earlier it used to be under Kolkata. Now I think under when I am heading the Guwahati zone, definitely we'll have, I think, ease of doing business, and I think the credit dissemination, the decision making has become really easy. And one of the most important thing, what I as a zonal head must say, that I had to connect with the people in all the stakeholders, not only of customers and the employees. They are the very, very important, I think, features of our organization. So my request, humble request to everyone, and just with deep gratitude, would like to extend my sincere gratitude to everyone for your sparing your valuable moment with us. And it is obvious that when Madam is here, who has come all the way from Bombay, she will be sharing much more about our banks. And I'll once again would like to thank each one of you. Your participation with this bank is always needed. And your, I think, acquaintance, wherever you have, those who are not banking with us, please refer to us. We'll welcome them with a folded hand, and we'll have them in our BOB family in the futures, in the progress of our state, in the progress of our society, and the progress of our country. Thank you very much. Once again, thank you.
If you see Nagaland and the entire northeastern state, the northeastern region, it occupies a special place in India's economic vision, blessed with rich natural resources, vibrant culture, and immense talent. This region also has the potential to become an economic powerhouse in the coming decade. The Government of India, under its Act East policy, has placed the Northeast at the center of its growth, strategy, investments, and investments which are flowing into roads, highways, digital infrastructure, and cross-border trade. Nagaland's economy, if you see, is largely driven by agriculture, handicrafts, tourism, and small businesses. Dimapur, as the commercial hub, is an emerging gateway to Nagaland's trade and logistics network. Projects like the Trans-Asian Highway, better rail connectivity, and investments in digital infrastructure are helping Nagaland to connect to national and international markets. However, for growth to be sustainable, we must work together. We must work with you, and you must work with us because where we stand today is only because of customers like you, and we are wholly and solely dependent on your patronage more than you are dependent on us. Today's economy, if you see, is dynamic and fast evolving. The needs of a large infrastructure contractor in Dimapur are very different from those of a small handloom entrepreneur in Kohima, or a farmer for that part if you see in any other part of the state. That is why we at Bank of Baroda are transforming from being just a provider of products to being a true partner in each one of your progress. Let me assure you, whether you're an ambitious contractor here in Dimapur, an artisan entrepreneur from Kohima, an MSME in any other part of the country, we are building a financial ecosystem in the bank that fits your aspirations like a glove. We are here not to just provide banking, but to empower your growth and unlock the full potential of this region so that this region grows and the country also grows. You are a partner in the country's progress. Before I conclude, I want to emphasize one thing. Banking is not just about managing money. It is about enabling dreams, empowering businesses, and building strong communities of which we are also a part. I encourage each one of you to engage with our team. We have around 14 branches in the state, like Mr. Bhutia said, we really want to expand. We have promised the Chief Minister today that we would open up an office here either in Dimapur or Kohima, a regional office, so that the people of the state are benefited. This is what we also look forward to suggestions from our customers as to if you want us to open branches in any particular place where we do not have a branch, we are open to that. Please come up with your suggestions and let us together explore the opportunities we offer. Let us together work. Let us unlock the tremendous potential of the state of Nagaland and the Northeast. Thank you once again for being here in large numbers, for your trust, and for making us a part of your journey. We at Bank of Baroda remain and will always be there with you as a bank for growth. Thank you once again.
If anybody is having any kind of an issue, if anybody wants to share anything, then please come up. Please let us know so that we can improve ourselves on that factor.
Now, as a contractor, we are facing a lot of problems with bank guarantee and all the things. So when I cross and check about the others, there's a surety bond in SBI, surety bond, GEMA. So there's a EMD, performance guarantee, retentions, and all the things. So I have a lot of Indian First Life in Dimapur and Kohima branch. But if they can give a provide, like especially for the contractor, if we can save the surety bond in place of the bank guarantee, then it will be very helpful. And moreover, the surety bond, it will be a benefit for the bank also, because most of the contractors will never fail. So it will be the benefit for the bank also. It will be a non-refundable, I hope so, according to the AMD or performance, retention, and all the things. So I think if when ma'am is can to look into the matter, then it would be great for the country as well as especially for the Northeast. Thank you, ma'am.
On the surety bond, I'll definitely have my team back at our Mumbai office to look at it. But performance guarantees and financial guarantees are already there. I know there were problems, actually people faced problems with regard to the TAT and with regard to getting, it was because there was a process change. Yeah, now the systems are being streamlined so that it is a problem across the country because there was a system change. But your surety bond issues are definitely, we'll have a look at that and see how we can also support you, because if State Bank of India is doing, then there is nothing which can stop us also from doing. We'll definitely have a look at it.
And Madam herself told that whatever your issues you jot down and make a proposal, send it to us, and we will take the decision. We will make some special provision for Northeast. She himself told. So whatever the some issues we are having, that I know, some income tax that exemption here, and most of us our people are not filing the IT return. That is also one problem for banks right now. So that is also we have also already taken up with these higher authorities. With ma'am also we will discuss. Then on some land issue, here some states in northeast part, that there is no circle rate. So but in our guidelines it is the circle rate is required, and in our the inspection that it is coming, and our region is also facing some problem. So with this all are some issues. Definitely I was thinking that somebody will raise these issues, and definitely we'll take care, we'll address, we'll have with our entire what are the requirement for Northeast, we'll have this proposal, we'll sell to our corporate office, and we'll clear it. So once again, thank you all of you for coming here. We have noted your all the issues, and it is hardly 4 to 5 issues, not more, because you all are happy with Bank of Baroda, but be happy with Bank of Baroda, be with us. Together we can grow. That whatever we discuss, that yes, together we can grow, and we will grow. And we assure from top management, from zonal office side, and from our corporate EDMAM also assured you that in future whatever issue will, the tax issue, sir, you have told the tax issue we have noted. Definitely it will take care. And on the, finally, once again, thank you all of you over coming here with this notice and this good gathering here, and it is finally it is a family get together. Thank you all. Thank you.
So viewers, apne khan dikhi paise Bank of Baroda laga customer outreach laga program laga opore. It is specially Kohima or Dimapur laga customers khan logade interaction thaga laga time thagishe with the officials of the Bank of Baroda. Direct queries kiki thagishe customer khan logade do sob bujai gine tahan interaction laga homoy time thagishe. Aro aji itu laga meeting de duita manu bra ahi gine brief kurishe do Bina Vahid. Taidu Mumbai lagase, taidu executive director of Bank of Baroda ase, aru ekta do Sonam Bhutia, taidu general manager and zonal head NES zone la thagishe. Taijun brabi kuishe ki Bank of Baroda do ekta public sector bank ase kuishe, aru do ekjun ge ami khan growth kurubo gole do ekjun ge modot kuri kine ekilo de kam bi kurubo lage, aru banking do it's not only about managing money holibi ami khan ekilo de kam kuri ami khan laga dreams to kininga fulfill kurubole laga ase koi ni tahan brabi janaishe. Itu iklan hoi gine Sonam brabi kuishe ki Bank of Baroda do next to SBI ase koi ni tai janaishe. Aru there are around 14 branches in Nagaland, more than 8,000 branches to all over India ase, aru more than 90 banks khandu abroad to be ase koi ni bi janai di ase, aro 65 branches to Jorhat region de ase, aro to Jorhat region de do ami khan Nagaland laga state to be include ase koi ni bi janaishe. Aro aji laga program de Dimapur aro Kohima laga customers khan register kore do around 120 ase koi ni ami khan ki bi janai di ase. Aji gane man ase. For more news and update, keep watching Global Window. This is your reporter Yaungamla with my camera person Anungai Jame reporting from Naithu Resort, Chumugirima.
Everyone said the 22nd of September, we said now. Avail GST benefits starting the 6th of September 2025. Own your new vehicle at a lower price. Get benefits up to 1.56 lakh. Visit Apex Motor Mahindra and book now. Call 6909316156.